Hey guys, how are you all today? Well, we're back home safe and sound. We came home on Sunday. I've still got a few more videos to upload, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely, and thank you very much for people who's been watching them and viewing them, and also welcome to my new subscribers who's subscribing to my channel. Very much, well, very much obliged, thank you. So, what are we doing today? We will be saying this. We are taking you over to by the school because we're going to take you and show you the old police station. Well, what's left of it. And turn me around, there we go. What's left of it. Noticed they're starting to demolish the old police station. So we're going to go and have a look to see what's left of the old police station. Very interesting. That's what we're going to do. And maybe get the drone up as well. Show you what they're doing. That's the plans. A bit of history of the old police station being demolished. So we shall catch you in a bit when we get there. Bye bye. Guys, this is the old police station. So this is what they're demolishing up here. We'll have a look basically to see how they get it on. A lot of noise up here. So basically that's how they get it on over there. They're knocking the building over down there, knocking the old police station down. We won't go in because of bulldozing it. Now this is a piece of history. I want, if you guys out there knows when this police station was built, and if you've got any old photos of this police station, please put them on I'm Free Bucky or on my drone page if you can. Let us know when this police station opened. It'll be interesting to know. It will. We've been in it a couple of times, I think, And what's going to be interesting is what are they going to be building when it's all knocked down? Is it going to be houses or what? So this is how they get it on so far. They're making good progress with it, actually. That's what they're doing, they're making good progress. A bit of history being knocked out. And that's the garages. I want to know as well, what do they used to keep in the garages? Do they keep the police cars in the garages? That's another thing I want to know. I think what we'll do, we'll get the drone up and show you from above. And we will keep you in progress to see what's going to be happening. guys, welcome back. Well, we've managed to get the drone up and show you what's left of the old police station behind us. That will be all gone in a few days. It will be all rubble, and it will be all empty ground. What I want to know is, when was the old police station built, and if you've got any old photos, please put them on I'm Facebooky or on Facebook. Please do that. That would be a good idea. Be good to know about the police station. Yeah, so if you can do that, put them on I'm Facebooky or on my drone page. Okie dokie. That's what to do. I'm going to be uploading this video later on. It'll go out either today or tomorrow. It'll go out. That is it. But you got some footage of the old police station behind us. Nice dry day for the drone, which was good. And also, we also flew the drone down by the harbour to show you the building there as well. So that's another piece of footage as well. They're doing really good progress to the harbour, so that's another new development coming along. So new stuff happening in Bucky as always. So this will be going up later on or tomorrow. Anyway, whatever you're doing for a Tuesday, please have a good day and enjoy the rest of your week, and we shall catch you in the next vlog. Remember to like, subscribe and hit that Facebook notification above me to join my Facebook page. Okie dokie, but from us it's goodbye. Goodbye.